FIXTURES. We're at, I don't know. Shit. Fucking some building managed by Goodman. Oh shit, we're going somewhere. Whoa. Why are these so fast? That was unexpected. Okay. I guess we're just parking at 4 then. Okay. Holy shit, these have bad rollback. What the fuck? So, if I had to guess, I'd say these were US elevators. But don't quote me on that. I'll check the records. Holy shit. Why are these so fucking fast? What the fuck? We just went to 16 in like 5 fucking seconds. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck is this? Whoever installed these things was on crack. God damn, that feels awful. Look how fast this goes. I'm not complaining though. I'm not complaining. Like, this is fucking dope. These fucking fly. I'll tell you that much. I landed on 16. Look at the zombie. I love how you can hear the voices from all the other elevators too. Bro, what the fuck? These are fucking fast. God damn. And really, these are one of those elevators where you really got to be on them to fully experience them. Like, all elevators are like that, but like this thing, the video's not going to do it justice. Like, the way these things run is just, holy shit. These are insane. Yeah, these have a little bit of hustle to them.
First floor, lobby.
The doors don't.